So I am outfitting my 2007 SV650 for a little bit of touring, and I thought I would share that. So got a couple things planned. I'm going to get a plexi fairing, try to cover the hands and the body from wind. I'm going to get some cheap soft saddlebags for the sides. This is temporary. I chopped my exhaust and waiting on the slip-on. But this was the main reason for the video. This is a waterproof, lockable trunk, and it's custom. It is made from a Harbor Freight Apache 4800. These just came out, I believe, this week. Got a new product alert and a coupon, of course, and basically just a cheap version of the Pelican case. Comes with the pick and pull foam. Drilled a couple holes in the bottom, and this was about 45 bucks with the coupon. These side latches are a little bit of a pain. I might pop the pins out of there so that I only have the back latches, but there is a gasket in there, so it probably helps to seal the gasket down. Now, I bought an extra seat. Sorry, hard to do with the camera. I bought an extra seat on eBay for $25. Tore off the upholstery, kept my stock seat so I can easily switch back to non-touring mode. But stripped off the padding, stripped off the little vinyl, and just drilled some holes. Got 6 here, here, these 2, and these 2, and really just a crude, just use a crude template. So put that on the box, put it then on the seat pan so that I know my holes will be perfect. And I just used a spike through these holes, made hammer sort of indents, and then I drilled through. Hardware was $8, seat was $25, box was $45, somewhere roughly around 80 bucks for a custom trunk. Pretty good. I did just spray paint the seat pan black, flat black, so that it doesn't stick out too much. These are little 1 inch or 1.5 inch, something like that, PVC spacers. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're little studs basically just to try to level the box out so it's not tipping forward with the angle of the passenger seat. I may put some little weather stripping, some rubber weather stripping down here, just to try to keep any road grime or moisture getting underneath the little trunk area. So I did put a few washers under this to pop it upward a little bit, because I couldn't get the seat to latch in, the seat pan. That's actually the first time I put the real seat back on with that like that, so I'm glad that still works. But yeah, thought I'd share that with you. Probably put up a couple more videos of other mods that are coming, like the fairing and some saddlebags. So hope you enjoy. Hope it inspires you to do a little touring on your own SV.